In my 5 years being an artist, I never came across this quote until recently, and it had me thinking how life and art go hand in hand. Today, you'll see me illustrate this quote. To be an artist is to believe in life simply was described as an expression of the idea that humanity is part of nature and that through our senses we can become connected to something timeless and universal. If you're an artist, you may notice that being creative pretty much absorbs into our identity. We seek creativity at every given point in time, whether it's a signboard on the street or the colors on a wall, a conversation with a stranger, or an old tree at the park can inspire an idea for an artwork. Who we are as people influences what we make to such extent that I always find myself joyful when I see an artist shine with what they do. This may not be true for all, but most artists can never stop being artists. It's not like other professions where one can separate their work self from their normal self. Especially when your art is tied up with making a living, you need to be on toes, coming up with ideas for your growth. While it's not ideal to always be in the make art for money mindset, but I find joy in this way of life. Making art doesn't have a formula, and that makes it even more subjective. My artistic process can be so different from another artist, even if we use the same tools or programs. Adding to this quote, I believe that life is an art in itself, and we can never ever stop it from inspiring us, whether we choose to seek that inspiration or not. If you feel happy, you can pluck a flower anytime and sketch it out. If you feel sad, you can paint your heart out. If you feel angry, you can speak it out loud. Whatever life throws at you, being an artist makes it all the more easier to have a stage and share ourselves to the world. You can get yourself back up and feel a sense of strength to share a piece of life to someone through art. It doesn't have to be in an instant, and that's one of the beautiful things about life and art. You can wait till you feel comfortable enough. You can choose to learn about another artist's life through their art. Social media has made it so easy for us to live like an artist and share our story with others. These words of mine that you're listening today are just another story. Today, this art really motivated me. Tomorrow, you might want to share your little snippet of life with others as well. I see beauty in this. Needless to say, today's video is inspired by countless other artists that I have watched throughout my career who were bold enough to share how they live like artists. I hope this curiosity never dies. To be an artist isn't a full-time job, but a way of life. A way to find ourselves deep in curiosity, just as we keep living our lives. This illustration that I've created brings me so much joy because I put my life to it. I make a lot of art, but this one is special. On a side note, this illustration is a part of a lettering challenge I host for artists every August. Depending on when you're watching this, you're always welcome to join along. Thank you for watching this part of my life as an artist. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye.